It's Meals by J&L. This is our fat-free flesh detox and cleanse. I am doing my juicing today. Congratulations to everyone that made the wise decision to join my Meals by J&L. You took the questionnaire, you put in your information. Let's see what we're juicing today. All right. Now, the health benefits of a food plan. First of all, they're designed by dietitians and nutritionists and doctors. And that's amazing because why spend $500 with one nutritionist for only 1 hour, leaving confused and frustrated when you can join the Meals by J&L online community and achieve your goals. You're going to have confidence, clarity, and you're going to see your entire meal plan for as long as you wish. I'm so excited, guys, because you deserve to have clarity. I want you guys to go to J&L, Meals by J&L. Look, this is my meal plan right here. And I'm excited because I'm feeling great and I know that I'm getting my nutrition. So go to the website, mealsbyjnl.com.